Wait for your call is connected.
Okay. Because the MP3 extension file is more compressed rather than WAV file, right? Can you imagine if you decode a lot of voice using the WAV, it might lead you to the huge file, right? Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. Okay, in this video, I would like to share to you how we do the voice decoder from the satellite Iridium. But of course, before you do this, you need to watch this video first. And inside of this video, there are some prerequisites of another two video. So maybe at least you need to watch this, the Iridium part 1, the Iridium part 2, and then the Iridium about the real-time call tracing. Because in the Iridium part 1, and the part 2, I think I share how to install the toolkits of the Iridium, how to install the extractor of the Iridium, how to install the Conda, how to install the GNU radio. That will be in the part 1 and the part 2 of this video. But in the real-time call tracing of the video of the Iridium, I also show it to you. I'm using the different antenna in this case. So we will using the bias T. I explain everything in that 3 video, guys. So I recommend you to do that one. And also in the real-time call tracing, also in that video, I share to you that you might need to have, you get a homework to do some sniffing to collect the bits file at least like, let's say like a 3 hours or 4 hours. If you don't do that one, you might difficulty to get the voice later because the voice call is not really crowd as you think as in the GSM environment ecosystem. So you might need also to scanning, you need also to sniffing this Iridium extractor, produce the bits at least for the 4 hours. I'm using the HackRF one, and I'm using the bias T also to switch on the LNA, the built-in LNA inside of. See, I'm I would like to cough. I switch on the built-in LNA inside of that antenna using the bias T. Okay guys, so rather than a lot of chatty, let's see how I do this one. Okay guys, so this is the GitHub link. This is in my repository in this case, guys. Okay, this is in my repository, and this is recorded. This is still private. I will make it public later when this is also already the video is already launched. And this is the script file that you might need to copy. So I will just copy this. I will to take some first in this case. Okay, I will put it in the desktop. Okay, finish. Okay, let's go back again to this one. Okay, I already saved this one, okay? So this one, Iridium toolkit, the HackRF, everything, so on. You might need the prerequisite video that I'm going to put in the description of the file. And of course, the Python. And if you have this Iridium toolkit, usually you already have this one, so don't bother with this one. And the script itself, it will detect. If you have the FFmpeg, it will create the MP3 because the MP3 extension file is more compressed rather than WAV file, right? Can you imagine if you decode a lot of voice using the WAV, it might lead you to the huge file, right? But if you are using the MP3, it will be compressed. But no worries, guys. If you don't have the FFmpeg installed, the script will automatically just generate the WAV file. Is it good, right? Okay, now we will do this one. We will do the git clone first. We will git clone this Osmo IR, which is I fork it from the Osmo IR7. This will be the decoder itself, right? So I will just simply running like this, git clone this one. So 100%, I run it like in this one. So the second will be go to this directory and running some make and running a make command. Okay, this is make command. Okay guys, I will just make it clear to make it easy. And then after that, I'm going to copy those decode file. I think it's generate a decode file here. Let's just see, this is one. This is the output of the result, the product of the make before. Okay, so we will just copy this decode file, the codec file itself, to the build Iridium toolkit. Of course, you need to watch part 1, part 2 of the Iridium, right, to get this one, right? The Iridium toolkit. Okay, finish. And we will just make this is its executable. Okay, now I will make it clear. Okay, now we will go to the desktop because I put this export VOC in the desktop, right? So I will just go to apps, one more. Okay, this is in the desktop. I will also copy this export VOC file inside of this Iridium toolkit as well. Done. And then I will just make also this script as well to be the executable as well. Change mode plus X in this case. Clear. Okay, so far this is the directory, right? Is Osmo, we just git clone this and we just download this one. And this is the bits file that I told you I take it like 2 hours, 3 hours, etc. This one, this is the same, it's just different name. Okay, now where are we? Okay, we just make it, this is execute. Now what we're gonna do, we will just activate the conda. So the GNU radio will be activated, the GNU radio environment as well. This is in the Iridium part 1, okay? And I will go to this GR Iridium and export the path. So the path will be in the environment. And also, I will go to the GR Iridium toolkit and running the export path as well. Okay, this is the one that we run it like, let's say like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, right? So I will not run it here because 2 hours, 3 hours. So this is the file, guys. So this is same. This. Yeah, it's just the naming of the file. This is the file. See, the same size. So, and we need to get this 1622 because if you go to GR Iridium, you will see the bandwidth that cover of this. The voice itself is get covered inside of the HackRF one itself. But because if you are using RTL-SDR, the bandwidth is not so wide compared with the coverage bandwidth of this HackRF frequency itself. And then we just running this. So this is the output file, MP bits. We just running this. I'll just copy from this. Okay. Do we get parse? No parse, right? Okay, I'll just run it here. See, this is creating this output parse. So still running. We just wait. Oh yeah, guys. My HackRF one, somehow the old one, the base is broken. That's why I'm using this one. This is the HackRF PortaPeg H4M, and inside this we can change it to the HackRF mode. And how you want to change it with the HackRF mode, if you want to use it as a HackRF, you need to watch this video, okay? So that is the things. Okay, this is still take some times. Okay, done. This is done. We'll just make it clear. It's easy to make it clear. Let's say how many frame this one. How many record? Okay. So this is the file inside of the parse. The VOC is the voice itself, right? Now we will extract the voice call. It will be go to the desktop and VOC calls. So this is no VOC calls, right? No FOC here, right? So we'll just start it here. See? Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, switch on the bell, and share this channel to others. FFmpeg detected, so the output will be MP3. If the FFmpeg is not detected, the script will create it with the WAV. Okay, now it's time for us to hear this one. Okay, let's hear this one. Some of this voice I will make it gone, or I will change the pitch, yeah, for the sake of the they deserve the courtesy, right?
Please for your call is connected.
Okay.
The number of dials again at service. Check the number and try again. Or you have dialed is not in. Please check the number.
Okay.
The number you dialed is not in service. Try again.
Yeah.
Number you have dialed is not in service.
So that it will be the result of that file itself. So you will just need to play those MP3 files. So already the script itself already converted to the MP3. If you don't have FFmpeg, it will be generate the WAV file. Anyway, if you would like to donate for this channel, you can scan this QR code, or I'm going to put the Buy Me Coffee inside the link inside of this description of this video, guys. Okay. What do you think, guys? Hopefully this is useful for you. Write me the comment. And as I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay hard.